Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram music problem, story, reel, or post. Let's get started. First, go to App Store or Google Play and make sure your Instagram is updated. Most music problems happens because the app is outdated. Remember that Instagram music isn't available in every country. If you're on a business account, music options may also be limited. Switch to a personal or creator account in settings to fix this. If the issue continues, clear your Instagram cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, and clear cache. Then, log back in. If music is still missing, you can upload your video with music added from editing apps like CapCut, then post it to the Instagram. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.